This is example 5. It's the remainder theorem. What the remainder theorem says is if I do synthetic division with f at -2, so with -2 for x, the number I have left at the end is the value of f at -2. So it's really a different way to find the value of f at -2 without doing substitution. So again, to start out with synthetic division, I write the 3 first because it's x cubed. Then I'm going to write 8. Then I'm going to write 5. Then I'm going to write -7. Notice I did not use any zeros because there's x cubed, x squared, x, and number without an x, so all powers of x are accounted for. I'm going to put the -2 on the outside. Then I'm going to do my synthetic division. So bring down the first number, multiply -2 times 3 for -6. 8 minus 6 is 2. -2 times 2 is -4. 5 minus 4 is 1. -2 times 1 is -2. -7 minus 2 is -9. Since I am looking for f at -2, which means if I were to take out x and substitute in -2 for the x's in all three spots, I would get an answer of -9. The answer to the problem is -9. One thing I want to point out, if I had to graph this like I did in 2.2, -2 comma -9 would be a point on the graph. F at -2 means put -2 in for x. The answer you got at the end is y. So that would be a point on the graph also. Just want to point that out.